Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 682, and today's topic of lecture is the medicinal importance of isabgol seeds and husk. This isabgol plant originally belongs to Indian subcontinent, especially in India. It was wild in Sindh and Punjab, and those tribal people or nomadic people, they used to collect from the forest as a wild plant, and they were using for their stomach problem. And nowadays it is commercially cultivated and produced the 90% of isabgol husk and seeds in North Gujarat, and some of the seeds and husk are produced in Rajasthan. And of course it is also cultivated in some Indian subcontinents like Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, all these places in Nepal. This isabgol seeds and husk, they are rich in mucilages. Actually, it has its medicinal property because of the presence of mucilages, and this mucilage, they have the property of soiling the water. Once it is put in water, it will be swallowed, and it is actually hydrocolloidal. And this hydrocolloidal solution, the nature of this property is the beauty of this plant husk, bhusi and seed. It is very common and good plant source laxative, and anybody who is suffering from constipation or problem of bowel movement, the best thing, he should take the husk of isabgol or seeds. And this seed and husk, they will help to make the mucilage, and the stool will be loose, and in this way the constipation problem will not be there. And it is widely used for dysentery, diarrhea, hyperacidity, ulceration. So lot of stomach disorder is settled by the seeds and husk of isabgol, and it is only because of the formation of mucilage. And this mucilage is really having very good medicinal property in the sense that it will not allow lot of microorganisms to thrive or to multiply very quickly, because it is having very good binding effect, and it has ability and capacity to destroy some of the microorganisms, or some of them will be binded with mucilages. And also it is playing very important role as a prebiotic, means probiotic bacteria. They are in guts and intestine. They are healthy in presence of the mucilage produced by this seeds and husk of isabgol. And this mucilage actually they are the heteropolymers. Heteropolymers means they are different. Once it is completely hydrolyzed, it gives different type of monosaccharides. That's why it is called heteropolymers. Hetero means different type of monomers, and these monomers are sometimes xylose, sometimes galactose, sometimes arabinose, and sometimes ribose. And on final hydrolysis of mucilages, it gives two product. One is called uronic acid. Uronic acid is the hydrocarbon where the carbon 6 here, this carbon 6, and this carbon 6 is oxidized in the form of carboxylic group, and that's why it is CHO, CHOS4 and COS, and this structure is uronic acid. And all mucilages, when they are hydrolyzed, they will give uronic acid, and they are all made up of lot of these sugar monosaccharides are joined with this uronic acid and other aldobionic acid. Aldobionic acid means where both of the ends, carbon 1 and carbon 6, both are oxidized into carboxylic group. So these two products are there in mucilages. And also this Isabgol husk and seeds, they are very good for those people who are having diabetic problem, because it can reduce the glycemic index. In presence of mucilage in the intestine and in body, the release of sugar will become slow. It is also good for cardiovascular system, because it will also reduce the high cholesterol level, and also your LDL, that is bad cholesterol, will also be reduced. So this your Isabgol seeds and husk, they have lot of medicinal properties, and I have already told you that it is one of the best plant source laxative. It's a very good laxative naturally, and also it is very good for those people who are having constipation. So that's why in Indian subcontinent it is widely used in our local traditional medicine, like in Ayurveda and Unani, and it is mainly used for a lot of stomach disorder, and I have already told you all. But it is not only limited up to stomach disorder. Once you are taking these Isabgol seeds and husk, maybe 10 gram or 5 gram every day, it is good for your overall health condition. Means it will maintain your diabetic condition, sugar, cholesterol, and all the stomach problem like ulceration, hyperacidity. So that's why it is very, very good as a medicine. So Isabgol seeds and husk, they play very important in our gut, intestine and stomach, and in this way they can bind, they can hold the harmful bacteria, and in this way the intestine and stomach will not be having inflammation also. So it is also working as a very good anti-inflammatory substance also. So here the medicinal importance of Isabgol seeds and husk, and its botanical name is Plantago ovata, and it belongs to family Plantageneaceae. Number 1, the plant was formerly collected by nomadic tribes and grow wild in Punjab, state of India. At present, it is mainly cultivated in the north, Gujarat, and in some portion of Rajasthan. So mainly in India, it is cultivated in 2 states. 90-80% goes to Gujarat, North Gujarat, and some in Rajasthan also. Number 2, it is widely used in constipation as a laxative. It is one of the best natural laxative, and it is used in constipation to treat skin irritation also. It is also used in skin product. If your skin is irritated, it is a very good. And also it is used if you have some insect bite or sting. If you apply just seed or husk, mucilage, it will absorb all those poisonous toxins. So it is good also for that if you can apply it. Irritation, it is used to treat the poisonous reaction due to insect bites and stings. It has also been used in traditional herbal system in China and India to treat diarrhea, hemorrhoids, bladder problems and high blood pressure. And also it is nowadays used to treat hyperacidity, ulcerations. Number 3, Isabgula husk and seeds contain about 10% mucilage, and which is present in the epidermis of the testa. Mucilage consists of uronic acid and aldobionic acid, and I have already shown you the structure of uronic acid and aldobionic acid. All mucilages, they contain these two in acidic form, and they are nothing but they are monosaccharides. Only in the case of uronic acid, the carbon 6 is completely oxidized into carboxylic acid. That is called uronic acid. And in the case of aldobionic acid, both of the ends, carbon 1 and carbon 6, they are oxidized into COH grouping. On hydrolysis, mucilage gives xylose, rhamnose and galactonic acid. Number 4, fixed oil is present in the form of unsaturated fatty acids, and it also contains beta-cetosterol, and because of these two, it is very good to suppress the cholesterol formation in our blood test. Actually nowadays, since it is costly item, and that's why some people they supply fake or duplicate type of husk and seeds. So the best testing is that take few seeds on any glass plate and put few drop of water, and around the seed, if there is formation of mucilage, if mucilage formation is there, it means that is the husk or seed of isabgol. So test, seeds and husk contain mucilage which also absorb water and soil. Because it is absorbing water, it is hydrophilic, and once it absorbs water, it will start swelling. So that is the property of this. So if anybody is bringing some any other thing which is not having the formation of mucilage and swelling, it means it is a duplicate, it is a fake. Take few seeds on the slide and put water. Mucilage comes out and forms a zone surrounding the seeds, and the formation of zone surrounding seed, that mucilage, it confirms that your seed is authentic. And number 5, action of mucilage is mechanical, and the mucilage is not acted by enzyme or by gut bacteria. This is the beauty of this mucilage, because the gut bacteria and gut enzymes, they cannot affect this mucilage. Rather than they will be also binded by mucilage. So if suppose you have some harmful bacteria or some enzyme is putting some harm, it will be overtaken by this mucilage. Mucilage is jelly-like and absorbs products of gastrointestinal digestion and lot of toxins. So it is jelly-like substance, and it absorbs lot of waste material, useless and toxins from our stomach. And number 6, mucilage plays important role to get intense the bacteria in the gel, and which prevent its action in the stomach. So also because it can hold, it can bind the bacteria, and that's why those harmful bacteria and all those will not be active in our stomach. So number 7 is, which is important, that the mucilage is also responsible of drastically reducing the inflammation of intestine and stomach, and that's why it plays very important role for our good digestion. So number 7, the mucilage is used to cure inflammation of the mucous membrane of gastrointestinal and urinary genital tracts, and thus mucilage is very effective in amoebic and bacillary dysentery, diarrhea, ulcer and pile. Because of its property, it can reduce drastically the inflammation, and that's why it is very much helpful for effective in the case of amoebic bacillary dysentery and diarrhea, ulcer and pile. Number 8, recently in Lucknow city, that is in India, we have one very good drug research institute, and that drug research institute is doing lot of we can say investigation and formulation of natural products, drugs, and they have formed the stick, isabgol stick husk, and that stick is used to terminate the pregnancy, and that is recently in Lucknow city in India, Central Drug Research Institute is involved in this research, has developed that stick is called ESAP tent sticks. This ESAP tent stick from isabgol husk, isabgol भूसी से तैयार किया गया ये stick, and it is used for medical termination of pregnancy because it is very effective to cervix dilator. Number 9, isabgol mucilage in 5% sodium chloride means salt. So if you take isabgol husk in 5% sodium chloride namak solution, and then if any cut is there, any pain, you just apply that mucilage is very effective drastically to kill the pain. It can work as a painkiller. Once you take the isabgol bhusi with your टेबल साल्ट, जो नमक आप यूज करते हैं, थोड़ा सा डाइल्यूट सोल्यूशन में ऐड कर दीजिए, और उसके बाद जहां पे स्वेलिंग कट पेन है आप अप्लाई करें, इट विल बी वेरी इफेक्टिव. सो isabgol mucilage in 5% sodium chloride works as painkiller. If you put on cut finger, no pain will be felt. Number 10, it is most common plant laxative and is beneficial to many organs of the body like heart and pancreas. People with irritable bowel syndrome, that is called IBS, and Crohn's disease are all familiar with bowel irregularities. It's all done because of the irregularity of the bowel movement. Number 11, it is good prebiotic, needs healthy colonies of probiotic to grow in gut, which is good for immune system to fight. Actually, this is prebiotic and it helps the gut bacteria to grow healthy, and once it becomes healthy, this is very important and it will improve your immune system to fight the bacteria and microorganisms, fight infection and reduce inflammation. So this is also very important property of isabgol bhusi and husk. Number 12, recent research shows that daily intake of isabgol husk can reduce cholesterol and can maintain glycemic index, so it is good for diabetic people. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.